Installing Airex WireHide. First, remove the old motor and attach the new motor to the fan guard. Next, add the Velcro backing to the new motor. Tape wire leads to prevent arcing. Hide reversing wires in the vinyl pocket. Wrap power and control wires in vinyl sleeve. Reinstall fan blade. Trim excess sleeve material. Fit sleeve into compressor housing. Refasten the fan guard with the new motor to finish your professional install. Get that OEM professional look and keep live wires safely secured with Airex WireHide.